Hi there, welcome. My name is Mark and we are the Movie Prof guys. We like to play around with toys, especially if we can link them to movies. And today we are going to play with the cheapest RC chopper I could find. Whenever we think about using scale models in a movie, you really need to master one basic skill, besides being able to build a miniature model, of course. And that is using your RC power. Radio control your model. Now, controlling an RC car is really simple. Controlling a boat is a little bit harder. But when you want to go up, you're going to another level. Not only because of the lack of room for errors, but also because here in the Netherlands you're gonna need a certificate, you're gonna need a club, you're gonna need lots of things, and it's very expensive. Oh, and of course you're gonna need a lot of training and stuff. Now, it's not for me, I guess, because the sum of it all makes it too expensive, and I really don't care about spending lots of money on something that I don't have time for. Time is precious. Sorry. Yeah, but I want to fly, and I want to fly right now. So that's why, ladies and gentlemen, I bought the cheapest RC chopper I could find. This thing was not expensive, it was $12.99 or something. Can't be anything more than crap, but I'm gonna test it indoors, so we're gonna use the garage, the man cave, and see if we can master the skill of flying a chopper. Now, I really don't know what we got here. It looks like a piece of crap, and well, it's already damaged. But yeah, it can't be any better. Badass. Oh. Looks like it. Okay, this must be a piece of crap. I already know that. But let's see if it's any good and if it's worth 13 euros or something. Now, before we begin, let's take a look at what we have. Here we have the chopper. It's nice and red. It has two set of wings, and I believe that's because of the stabilization. We got a control unit. That isn't much. I've been charging it for about 10 hours right now. Left it a day to discover that it was empty. Yeah. So I did another charge and it's full now. But yeah, the reality here is cheap stuff comes with cheap mechanics. So this thing over here, yep, the battery is going to die when you don't use it. So you have to, and that's annoying because then you have to charge it just before, and then how long do you charge it, etc. This thing is easy. It comes with AAA batteries or something. And there you are. Simple. So let's what we're gonna do. I have a table here. Oh, that's coming from our living room. We just rebuilt the living room of our house, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna set the table up, turn it around, make it a plateau where we're gonna start from, and then we're gonna launch it and see if we can make this thing fly and control it. Or is it really a piece of garbage like I think it's going to be? Yeah. By the way, the green screen, it was there from last video. I forgot to move it. Sorry. Scariest. Okay. We want height, we're gonna push that one. So I really know it looks like crap. It is. Yeah, you know what? I'm just discovering. What I'm just trying to do is I'm just let it sit and try to learn the control. It's very, very, very sensitive. I'm so sorry. I'm constantly looking at the screen besides the camera, and I need to look into that lens. So I'm gonna try to do better. But it constantly wanna like tip over, and but the basics is good. There's something that I feel with a lot of practice you can get control of this thing. So we're gonna keep trying just to keep control and move the plane over from that angle to that angle to that angle to that angle of the table. And once we have that, we're gonna try to lift it up and see if we can find some in-air control. Uh-oh. Okay guys, I'm just trying different things to see what happens. I think we need to go outside with this one. Oh no! It really is a piece of crap. Here you go. Oops. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time, and otherwise we need to go outside. I can't imagine that there's enough room to do this properly. Ow! First impression, it's a piece of crap. No, yeah, it is a piece of crap. Because you only have the forward motion and the controller is not sensitive enough to control the speed. It's like you have to push this one forward. Oh no, the battery's almost dead. Okay, I'm gonna wait 1 second. Looking at the controller, you need to push this one forward to gain speed. And it feels like a turbo engine. It has a lot of lag in it. So you push this one up, you wait 1 second, nothing happens. You push it just a little fraction further and boom, off she goes. Not as sensitive as you really want it to. Same as left and right. You sometimes push right, it goes left. It's just like it doesn't really know which way you put it, and it decides by itself. Also, there are 2 buttons. I really don't know what they do. There's nothing in the manual of it. I really don't know. Other than that, this thing is pretty solid. It has some scratches, yes, but no broken parts as yet. Now, what I wanted to say is that I really don't think I want my daughters to play with this, even if I had boys, especially if I had boys, because I think in the living room this can cause a lot of damage, and it crashed into me a few times. It kind of hurts, but other than that, it looks cool. Okay, this is to show you how crap this thing is. I just loosened a screw, and it's just a fake screw. When you take the cap off, it breaks. Okay guys, this thing is not worth 12 13 euros. No, it's already dead. I think the battery lasts for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's quite long for such a small battery like this. It's really, really small. It's just like a quarter, a penny, I don't know. Yeah, but it's too soon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna charge it and I'm gonna see if I can fix it. But that's for a different video. For now, the cheapest review of the cheapest shopper in the shortest review ever. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. See you again next time, and maybe we're gonna blow something up, right? We didn't blow anything up. Yeah, wait. Oh, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe,